So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to pause all notification on Instagram. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your Instagram, and you still have to tap on your profile picture, which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. Now tap on three line, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Now from here you can see the option of notifications, so tap on it. And you can see the option of pause all, and the right side of this screen you can see the enable and disable icon, so tap on enable icon. Now you can see the option of for how many times you want to pause all your notifications, so I am tapping on 15 minutes. Now see, you have successfully paused all notification temporarily in the Instagram. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.